Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So firstly you have to open Phone Manager and then just tap Boost Now, and it will automatically boost system apps, third-party apps, I don't know, let's boost these apps too. Boosts memory usage and other stuff, and after that your device will be a bit faster for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.